going.
Guess what, people? This is Cooking with Renee. Me, Red. And my...
Look at that cut of meat right there. Isn't that beautiful?
Look at that, let's zoom in.
That is beautiful.
Zoom in. Oh, look at that cut of fish. So today we're going to be making a seared ahi. And here we have panko flakes right in there. Some nori or seaweed. I cut into half sheets. Some eggs that need to be beaten. And for the sauce I have shoyu, mayonnaise, and wasabi. Put the oil in the pan.
Oh, now you're cooking with gas.
And who is that mystery voice?
Nobody.
Nobody?
Nobody.
Beating eggs. Wrap the fish in the nori or the seaweed sheets. Dip in the egg. Roll around on the panko or the breadcrumbs. Don't forget every side. There we go. Get it. Put it in the oil. Don't want it to cook too long on each side. Unfortunately, I don't have tongs, so I have to turn them really. Ow! The danger is just don't cook naked. Don't cook naked. And then take it off the oil. Get my plate, please. Assistant, lovely assistant.
Lovely assistant.
Ta-da! The last one. Sizzle. 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 Uh-oh. Sauce time. Mayonnaise. Look. That's a mess. We like it to be nose burning goodness.
Yes.
Make you clear your sinuses.
See this? This ain't no joke right there, fellas. All right.
Oh, quick. My battery's running out. And the soy sauce. All in there. Now please give it a good mix. While we take a look before the camera dies. Let's eat, man. See you guys later. Man, I'm gonna. Yeah.
I'd like try. I like try.
Look at that.
Oh, no.
So, Mr. Loud Pipes, hope you enjoyed, and I hope everybody else enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Aloha. Oh no, it's the last piece. Oh.